Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn a small concept. For example, if you are creating a ad campaign in Meta Ads Manager and you just want to delete any of the ad creative, right? If you have created multiple ad creatives in a single ad set, and if you want to delete an ad creative, then how you can delete that particular ad creative? As you can see, I'm into my ads manager, I'm creating a new campaign, and this is the ad campaign level, and it is the ad set level. And in this particular ad set we have created 4 ad creative copies, right? And now I want to delete any of the ad copy or ad creative, right? So I will simply click on this particular triple dot and then we'll click on delete and again delete. Okay, the ad creative has been deleted. We can also delete multiple ad creatives together. I have selected this, and now I will press Ctrl key and will select the another ad creative. Okay, now 2 ad creatives are selected together, and now I will click on again triple dot and click on delete to and delete. So in this way we can delete multiple ad creatives in a single time. If you want to learn digital marketing course, then kindly check out our video description. I have mentioned my website link over there. You can simply visit our website and explore our course and can directly purchase our course from there. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.